Ever feel like your brain's a web browser with 1,000 tabs open? Let's fix that. Welcome to Solutions Center. Today we're tackling digital overload. Picture this, your phone's buzzing, emails are piling up, and social media screaming for attention. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've got you. Here's a simple hack, the 3-screen rule. Limit yourself to 3 screens at a time. Yup, that's it, your phone, your computer, and maybe a tablet or TV. Focus on one task per screen. No more juggling 18 apps at once. When you stick to the 3-screen rule, you'll find it easier to concentrate and manage your time. Less stress, more productivity, and guess what? It works wonders for your mental health too. So give it a shot. Simplify your digital life with this easy hack and say goodbye to digital clutter. Thanks for stopping by Solution Center. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow busy bees. Catch you later.